Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Salesforce Einstein Lead Scoring for better prioritization. Detailed guide step. To set up Salesforce Einstein Lead Scoring, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher by clicking on the grid icon in the upper left corner. Search for and select Einstein Lead Scoring from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the Einstein Lead Scoring page, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will then be prompted to enable lead scoring. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the enablement process. Next, choose the lead object that you want to score. Make sure to select the fields related to your leads that will be used for scoring. Select the criteria that Einstein should consider when scoring the leads. This may include demographics, behaviors, and engagement levels. After defining the criteria, click on the Next button to proceed. Review your selections carefully to ensure they align with your business goals. If everything looks good, confirm your choices to finalize the setup. Once completed, you will see a dashboard showing the scoring results. Monitor the scores regularly to understand lead quality and adjust as needed. You can further customize your scoring model based on your observations. Consider using A/B testing to refine your approach continuously. Finally, train your sales team on utilizing the lead scores effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.